Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful thread work designing, which is so simple and easily we can try at home. And we need to give the markings like this semicircle curves followed with the leaf markings in that. And to start with this design I'd be using gold color zardosi, which is of single strand, and giving the normal chain stitch on these curves. We have to stitch 2 lines here on these curves, just leaving a gap besides this normal chain stitch, and the same way I will give one more line here, and in between that gap we will stick the chain ball lace. The pattern I am gonna elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. And you can also try this on your old blouses, removing the side stitches of your sleeves, fix the small size of frame and follow these instructions. Now you can clearly see here I have given 2 line stitches of normal chain stitch, and also the bordering on these leaves same with the normal chain stitch. The gold zari thread which will really gives the richness, so that's why I'm highlighting with the bordering completely with the gold zari thread. And now that the filling of these leaves will be done with the fishbone stitch using the anchor thread, which is of 6 strands, and this is so simple for the filling. Just watching it carefully you can try easily. And the materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. This is how the filling has to be made completely on all the leaves. Use the contrasted colors because this will really highlight the pattern which you are doing. Now I would be using the gold color chain ball lace, applying the glue in between these 2 curves. Also inside the leaves also I'd be applying the glue line, which is very small, and on that also I'd be sticking the chain ball lace. This is how we have to apply the glue to stick the chain ball lace. Instead of chain ball lace you can also try with the stone lace, pearl lace or any combination to your garment. Like this we have to stick the chain ball lace, and this will take 1 to 2 hours to dry. And once it is dried we have to give an invisible stitches on it so that it will stay for long run. Leaving 2 or 3 balls, I'd be giving the stitch exactly in the center. Here I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle for giving an invisible stitches. And with this I am almost done with this designing. This is so simple threadwork designing. Threadwork patterns are really very much trending right now because these patterns are very highlighted, eye blasting patterns nowadays. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. Once completed, this is how it looks. Try it on your old blouses, or you can try on your new blouses also, which will really gives the trending pattern. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also please do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel.